Hello students. Yesterday I had already started the new lesson number 4, heat in 7th standard. First part I had already explained in the previous video. We were discussing about thermometer. Thermometer is a device which is used to measure the temperature. There are two types of thermometer, everybody knowing they are clinical thermometer, which is used for measuring the body temperature, and the laboratory thermometer for laboratory purposes. So today we will study detail about measuring temperature. I hope everybody has seen a thermometer. Nowadays it is very common. You can see even any public places, if you will go, you can see the body temperature is measuring with the help of the thermometers or the devices which is used to check the temperature of the body, because that pandemic COVID-19 is very common. So the temperature was measured by this thermometer. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. I told just now clinical thermometer also. Earlier time mercury ones using, nowadays it is using digital ones. How we will measure the body temperature with the help of a thermometer? Hold the thermometer in our hand and examine it carefully. You can see on the screen there is a thermometer picture is given, and it is Celsius one, and the marking is also done. You can observe it very clearly. If you do not have a thermometer, request your friend to share it with you. If you don't have a thermometer, you can ask your friend also to show them. Or if when you will visit a doctor, you can see the thermometer in his clinic. A clinical thermometer looks like the one shown here in the picture. We can see what are the parts of a thermometer. Look at the picture very clearly. A clinical thermometer consists of a long, narrow, uniform glass tube. Look at on the screen. You can see a long, narrow, uniform glass tube is there. It has a bulb at its end. At its pointed end, you can see there is a bulb. This bulb contains mercury, so it is silver shining color. Outside the bulb, a small shining thread of mercury can be seen. If you will observe very minutely, very close to your eyes, you can see a very thread, a small thread like mercury is passing through that capillary tube. If you do not see the mercury thread, rotate the thermometer a bit till you see it. So suddenly if the mercury level is less, so you just rotate the thermometer, then you can see the mercury is passing through that capillary tube. You will also find a scale on the thermometer. See, there is small markings also, you can see that. The scale we use is the Celsius scale, indicated in degree Celsius. We will write in short form degree Celsius. There are two types of scales we are using, that is Fahrenheit, we will write degree F, and Celsius we will write degree C. A clinical thermometer reads thermometer from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So all these very clearly it is mentioned, and the normal temperature of a human body is 37 degrees Celsius. So it is given with a reading on the thermometer, it is clearly mentioned. So we can measure more than 37 coming, the person is having the temperature. Now there is one activity given, just go through that. Let us learn how to read a thermometer. First, note the temperature between the the two bigger marks. Also note down the number of divisions shown by the smaller marks between these marks. Suppose the bigger marks read 1 degree and there are 5 divisions between them, then one small division can be read as 1 upon 5, that means 0.2 degree Celsius. So you can see on the thermometer, after one number there will be small lines on the scale. It is given same way. So one small line stands for one small division. We can made it as 5 divisions are there, 1 upon 5, that means 0.2 degree Celsius. Now how you will take the measurement and what are the precautions we have to take when you are using the thermometer, we will discuss now. When we want to take a measurement of any body temperature, first what we have to do, wash the thermometer, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Use an antiseptic solution to clean the thermometer before using to test the temperature. Next one, hold it firmly and give it a few jerks. So this all practical work you might be seen in hospitals, the nurses are doing, or your mummy will be doing all these things. You can see on the picture also that girl is seeing the level of the mercury. So first wash the thermometer preferably with an antiseptic solution and then hold it firmly and give few jerks. So that what happens, the mercury level will come down below the king. The jerks will bring the level of the mercury down. Ensure that it falls below 35 degree. So the marking will be 35 to 42 degree. So it should be, before using, the mercury level should be below 35 degree Celsius. Now place the bulb of the thermometer under your tongue, either inside the mouth under the tongue or underarm. You can do the test. So here if we will keep under the tongue, keep the bulb under the tongue. After 1 minute, take the thermometer out and note the reading. So as soon as you will take, you have to keep on your eyesight view and measure the reading from the thermometer. This is your body temperature. The temperature should always be started with its unit degree Celsius. So whenever we are writing a temperature, we will use always degree, then Celsius or Fahrenheit. So this way we can take the reading of the human body temperature. First take the thermometer, wash it or clean it with an antiseptic solution, hold it firmly, and a few jerks we have to do so that the level of the mercury will come down below 35 degree Celsius, and then place the bulb of the thermometer under the tongue and keep it for 1 minute and take it out and note the reading. This is your body temperature, and body temperature or the temperature always we will write with a degree Celsius or Fahrenheit. The normal temperature of a human body is 37 degree Celsius. Note that the temperature is stated with its unit. If we will write only 37, then it is not correct. We have to always write the degree Celsius. Whatever the temperature amount getting, that we have to write along with the degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. Now there are some precautions we have to take while using the thermometer. Then only we will get a correct reading. What are they? It is given in that column. Just I will explain. First point, thermometer should be washed before and after use, preferably with an antiseptic solution. Just now I told that same point. After use also we have to clean it with an antiseptic solution and put it in the box or the case. And before using also, we have to clean it with an antiseptic solution. Second point, ensure that before use the mercury level is below 35 degree Celsius. Whenever we are going to use a thermometer, clinical thermometer, we should ensure that the level of the mercury should be below 35 degree Celsius. Otherwise, the reading is wrong. Third point, read the thermometer keeping the level of mercury along the line of sight. So when we are taking the reading, you should keep in proper our eye level and take the reading. Mercury level, the level of the mercury along the line of sight. Then next point, handle the thermometer with care because it is made of glass and inside there is mercury. It is a very poisonous substance and disposing the mercury is also very difficult. So we have to be very careful while handling the thermometer. If it hits against some hard object, it can break. So that is the reason. When it is broken, then it is made of glass. Inside there is a small capillary tube is there, and if that tube is also broken, then the poisonous mercury, it is a liquid metal, it will come out, and it is removing is very difficult. Do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. Another very important point is when we are when we are reading the temperature, we never touch the bulb with our finger. So the reading may be different because our body temperature also may affect the reading. So do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. So these are the main precautions, points we have to keep in mind while reading using the thermometer. That is, thermometer should wash with an antiseptic solution before and after use, and always the mercury level should be below 35 degree by jerking it, and the thermometer reading should be along with the line of sight. Handle the thermometer with care because it is a poisonous substance, that mercury is inside, and it is made of glass. It is also very difficult to handle. Then last point, do not hold the thermometer by the bulb while reading it. So these are the things we have to keep in mind. Now we can take the body temperature of your friends or your other members of the house, and you can verify what numbers they are having, what type of body temperature they are having, whether it is more or high, etc.